In this video, we will review Salesmate CRM. If you guys want to get started with Salesmate CRM, you can use the links down in the description. Salesmate CRM is a user-friendly and feature-rich customer relationship tool designed for sales teams. It helps businesses manage leads, automate workflows, and track sales performance. With its intuitive interface, built-in calling and email features, and smart automation, Salesmate simplifies the sales process for teams of all sizes. The platform offers customizable pipelines, email tracking, and integration with various tools like Zapier, Google Workspace, and Slack. It also provides insightful reports and analytics to help businesses make data-driven decisions. The mobile app ensures sales reps can manage deals on the go. Overall, Salesmate CRM is a great choice for businesses looking for an affordable yet powerful sales automation tool. However, while it's easy to use, some users may find its customization options limited compared to more advanced CRMs. So that's the review of Salesmate CRM. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Salesmate CRM. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving me a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.